Imagine yourself in a room filled to the brim with items you may not even remember acquiring, but there they are, towering over you. It's like a hidden treasure trove, except the treasure is mostly old newspapers and expired cans of soup. This, my friends, is more than just a cluttered room. This is the realm of a hoarding disorder. Hoarding disorder is not just about having too much stuff. It's a recognized mental health condition, a labyrinthine maze of emotions and attachments woven into every knick-knack and trinket. It's not choosy either. It can affect anyone, whether you're young or old, rich or poor, male or female. It's an equal opportunity disruptor, if you will. And while we might see a chaotic mess, for those with a hoarding disorder, this is their sanctuary, their refuge, their comfort zone. In the world of a hoarder, what seems like chaos to us is their comfort zone, their sanctuary. Now that we've delved into the mind of a hoarder, let's uncover the impact this disorder has on the individuals themselves and those around them. As we peel back the layers of a hoarding situation, we find a myriad of unseen consequences that go far beyond a cluttered home. One of the most immediate dangers is the physical health risks. Imagine the precarious towers of items teetering on the edge of collapse. All it takes is a slight nudge for a cascade of clutter to come crashing down, potentially causing serious injuries, but the hazards don't stop at falling objects. Picture the dust, mold, and pests that thrive in such environments. These conditions can lead to a host of health issues, from respiratory problems to infestations of vermin. This isn't just about a messy house, it's about a home that's become a health hazard. Now let's delve a bit deeper. The mental toll of hoarding is often overlooked, but it's just as significant. Living amidst clutter can evoke feelings of stress and anxiety. The overwhelming task of decluttering can lead to feelings of hopelessness and depression. Hoarding isn't just a physical problem, it's a mental health issue too. Let's not forget the social repercussions. Relationships can be strained to breaking point as loved ones grapple with the disorder. Friends may stop visiting, unable to bear the sight of the cluttered home. Family members may feel helpless watching their loved ones sink deeper into the disorder. Social isolation can become a harsh reality for many hoarders. And yet, despite these distressing consequences, there's an underlying element of resilience. Many hoarders are acutely aware of their situation but feel powerless to change it. The road to recovery may be steep, but it's not insurmountable. The clutter may be visible, but the true damage often lies beneath the surface. The unseen consequences of hoarding are a sobering reminder of the hidden complexities of this disorder. But remember, understanding is the first step to recovery. And with that understanding, we can begin to unravel the layers of hoarding and help those affected find their way back to a healthier, happier life. We've journeyed into the heart of the hoarding disorder, but now it's time to find our way out. To turn chaos into cleanliness, we must first start by decluttering. Think of it as peeling an onion layer by layer. It may bring tears to your eyes, but it's worth it in the end. Start small, perhaps with a drawer or a shelf. As you progress, you'll find that the task becomes less daunting. For severe cases, don't hesitate to seek professional help. There are organizations and individuals who specialize in helping people overcome hoarding disorders. They can provide the support and guidance needed to make the process less overwhelming. Keeping a clean environment isn't a one-time task, it's a lifestyle. Make it a habit to organize and clean regularly. This not only prevents clutter from piling up, but also brings peace of mind and boosts productivity. Remember, a clean environment is not just about aesthetics, it's about living a healthier, happier life. As we wrap up our journey, let's not forget that our actions at home can have a wider impact. You see, when we talk about hoarding, we're not just talking about a personal issue. We're also discussing a global one. Each item we hold on to unnecessarily is one more piece of waste that could potentially harm our environment. Now imagine if we all took a moment to properly dispose of our waste, to recycle when possible, and to reduce the clutter in our homes. Not only would we be living in cleaner, more organized spaces, but we'd also be contributing to a cleaner, less polluted planet. This is the power of small changes. Each item we throw away correctly, each piece of cardboard we recycle, each old gadget we dispose of responsibly, they all add up. They all make a difference. In the end, keeping our homes clean is just one small step towards keeping our planet clean. So the next time you're about to discard something, think twice, because every little bit helps.